speaking of which, Joseph, you're reminding me that Joseph is also one of our followers on Discord. So let me bring that up here. So this is our Discord, and we are having some really good conversations. I also post little articles and videos that I find interesting, and you're also welcome to do the same. But if you haven't joined our Discord, feel free to join that. That's also going to provide you with a way to ask questions, not just of me, but of the community. I love when the community helps each other. So people are posting the projects they're working on, or questions that they have, or, hey, can you check out my portfolio? I love that community collaboration, and Discord is a really good way to do it. We already have 42 people joining us on Discord, which I got to tell you is a lot more than I thought were interested in it. I'm really not a huge Discord user, but I did learn how to use it. I set up my own server, my own permissions and things like that. And honestly, I got to tell you guys, I'm a little embarrassed because I had it available for a while. I had it completely up and running. I just didn't tell anybody. I didn't advertise. I didn't send in any of the invite links or anything. But I had it available for a while, but I just didn't think anybody would be interested. But it looks like people are interested, and people are joining and contributing to discussion. So if that interests you and you're able to do, you kind of want to have like asynchronous communication with people, this is a really good way to do it. It's totally free. I do have a paid option, but I'm not really promoting that yet. But it's totally free. You guys can, join in, get help from the community. Just a way for us to help each other, right? So if Discord interests you, the link is in my Instagram. It's one of my stories, and it's also in the socials highlight that you can find on my Instagram. But the invite is there, and you're welcome to join us on Discord.